over 40 years, DAHON has defined convenience. Today, we define speed in the city, on the trail, at work. Time doesn't wait. Speed means every delivery on time. Every second matters. For the traveler, speed means every connection made, fast enough to keep you moving, anywhere. For the commuter, speed means seamless transitions, fast enough to flow through every day. For the adventurer, speed means every moment captured, fast enough to chase the horizon. DAHON 2.0, speed for every journey.
I'ma run it, they all trying to push the limit, but I already done it.